NBI can already conduct to pursue their operations to effect the service of the arrest warrant.
Hindi na kumbaga wala na sir yung conditional arrest nung Friday na kapag nag-attempt siya na umalis ng bansa, saka lang siya huliin. So ngayon, ibig sabihin, kahit nandito siya sa bansa, makita siya, pwede na siyang damputin, arestuhin. Ganun na po, sir.
Tama yan.
So sir, ano po yung mangyayari doon sa kasi ginigit din po nung kampo ni Senator Bato ay wala pang final ruling doon sa main petition nung inihain ni Senator Bato. So hindi na po hihintayin ng gobyerno na maglabas ng final ruling ang Korte Suprema doon sa mga legal issues, doon sa pinaka-merits ng kaso.
Again, I go back to the four premises I stated earlier. First, there's a valid arrest warrant issued by the ICC. Second, he is not in the Senate premises. Third, there's no TRO or any interim order from the Supreme Court. Fourth, the arrest warrant is now enforceable. So it will be enforced and it will be served to the person of Senator Beto de la Rosa.
Sir, anong mangyayari kapag na-aresto na siya? Will he be automatically surrendered right away in The Hague like what happened to the former president? Or may in custody ba muna siya sa PNP? Ano po yung magiging proseso?
Okay. These are operational matters that I cannot discuss so that we don't defeat the purpose of the arrest, which is the ultimate objective is to bring him to the ICC.